Okay, so we're back for the third video. This is the second video of the 10-inch 78 RPMs. The first video was on 7-inch. Then we had some 10-inch, and we ended off at a couple of Jimmie Rodgers. And let's continue, see what's in that bag before we go on to the next bag. More Jimmie Rodgers. Oh, I have never seen anything broken like this. Look at this. Look at that. I've never seen anything like that. And yet, it will. I don't think it... Oh, it's got something stuck all over it. Weird. That... I don't know. I don't know if that one's going to make it or not. That's really strange. Okay, let's see what else we have. Waring's Pennsylvanians. Let's see. I love the College Girls. Well, who doesn't? Number 20378. And where do you work, John? Okay. There's that. Put that over there. We have a... no, this is a crown. I don't have a crown, I don't think. I was just thinking, I was thinking a couple days ago, I hope there's a crown in there. There's a crown. Look at that. I love their label. Russ Carlson and his orchestra. Don't know who he is. And I can't believe it's true. We just couldn't say goodbye. 3360. Nice. Oh, here's a one side. Oh, this one's... I don't think this one's going to make it. Oh. I think I'm going to have to try to save this one. Uh-oh. Look at this one. This one's broken right here. It's badly broken. But I think we might be able to save it somehow. I wonder. I'm going to try. Because it's George Graham, the Colored Preacher. I'm going to look up to see if it's how rare it is. If there's a few out there, no, I don't know if I'm going to spend some time. Should I? I'll see if any response on that one. Should I try to save that or not? Here's a Columbia in good shape. Prince's Band, Waterson Hits. And Prince's Band over there. So, World War One. Okay. And the last one out of that bag before we get to the next bag is Gus Arnheim. I like our... with Bing Crosby. Gus Arnheim and Bing Crosby. Very... Yeah, so that's what, in the 20s? Late 20s? Coconut Grove Orchestra? So we're going to put that right over here. One more time, and thanks to you, 22,700. Okay, next bag. Eileen Stanley, Ukulele Jazz Effects by Billy Uke Carpenter. I Love My Baby. Gene Austin on the other side. I like Gene Austin. How I Love Her and She Loves Me is Nobody's Business. Okay, number 19950. Eileen Stanley. Not familiar with her. Gene Austin I like. She does the best version of You Belong to Me. Let's see. Ted Lewis again. Here's another Ted Lewis. Sunshine Alley. And we'll build a... I can't make it out. Dear little cute little love nest, some sweet day. I think that's what it is. Number 3647. A3647. Well, this one's got a big chip in it. Okay. In Romania, it's a waltz, Jacques Renard and his orchestra. Frank Munn singing. I like Frank Munn. And it's, yeah, that one's probably not going to make it. Well, let's see. There's the chip there. It's only on one side, but it does affect a couple of grooves. So I'll put that over here. Oh, more filthy Jimmy Rogers record right here. My little old home down in New Orleans, 21,574. Dear old sunny South by the Sea. Yeah, so you can tell me which ones I should clean up first. Here's one with some label damage, but the record itself is okay. Hilo Hawaiian Orchestra, we've already had them. This one has Elliott Shaw singing, and Ed Small. Song of Hawaii, perhaps? There's label damage there, so you can't really see what the name of the song is. Anyway, it's number 21037. On the other side, Dainty Miss. Oh, Nat. That's, I can never say his name. Shilkret and the Victor Orchestra. Brunswick is next. The Radio Aces. It's okay, Katie, with me. I'll never see Maggie alone. Number 3468. Some label damage around the label. The label itself is okay. Seems like. Jimmy Rogers, Daddy and Home. I didn't know. I really don't know that much about Jimmy Rogers. Filthy. My Old Pal. Once we get these cleaned up, these are gonna take some time. More Jimmy Rogers. Blue Yodel number 5. Of course, that's quite famous. I'm Sorry We Met. Uh, 22072. Okay. Frank Luther Trio on Meltone. That's a good one. Good condition. There is a chip. Oh, it does go into the first groove. Oh, that's too bad. That's on Zora Lehman. Zora Lehman is on the other side. So there's a chip on her side. But on the Frank Luther side, no chip. Number, let's see, 12651. Brunswick, the Bluebird Waltz Collier Trio, number 289. Let's see what's on the other side. Oh, the next record's a bad break. Not even, I'm throwing that one out right now. Not going to go there. This one, but this on the other side is Irene Waltz. So far we have discarded one. That's pretty good, though. Paul Whiteman. Everything is KO and KY. Okay. And the Great White Way Orchestra on the other side, Sawmill River Road, 19074. Let's see. Jane Green. Jane Green, Ida, I Do, 19707. I don't know Jane Green. And she's on the other side too, If You Hadn't Gone Away. Brown, Rose, and Henderson song. So I'm going to have to look that one up eventually. Very faded label. So these are not in as good condition as the batch we looked at last month. Peerless Quartet once again. Cows may come home, cows may go, but the bull goes on forever. Wonder, that's great. He comes up smiling. Arthur Fields on the other side. Oh, I have one of these. National Music Lovers of New York. Dance Series #1. This, yeah, I have a Hawaiian one. An anonymous Hawaiian one. This is Edward Stone, Dream Daddy. And on the other side, David Harris, Mr. Radio Man. So that's cool. That's a good one. Something different. Let's see. Art Hickman's Orchestra, Song of the Orient, number 2955 on Columbia. Don't know Art Hickman. And on the other side, The Love Nest, also Art Hickman. See, we're at the 12-minute mark, so we got. We're gonna have to make another video. Guido Diero, Blue Diamond. I don't know. Oh, it's accordion solo. Okay, Blue Diamond, Guido Diero. We have Blue Diamonds and Zampa Rag, accordion player. Let's see. Alan Turner, don't know that name. On Victor, there's a Green Hill in Flanders. And Peerless Quartet, Say a Prayer for the Boys Out There. They did a lot of war songs, I notice. Propaganda, I guess. Let's see. We're at the 13-minute. Wilbur Sweatman's original jazz band, I'll Say She Does, from Sinbad. Sinbad starred Al Jolson. Oh, Introduction in Everything. That was recorded by Al Jolson. I'll Say She Does. Okay. I know these. I have Jolson. Wilbur Sweatman's original jazz band. Lucille. This is number A2752 on Columbia. Okay, Bad Companies. Carl T. Sprague, Victor Electric, 19747. And on the other side, when the work's all done this fall. Oh, I'm almost out of battery too. Let's see. So I'm going to replace the battery before I finish this up. Binkley Brothers Dixie Clodhoppers, Jackson, When I Had But 50 Cents. This is a Victor Electric. Little Old Log Cabin in the Lane. Blinky Brothers Dixie Clodhoppers. Here it is. Not bad condition. Got to clean them up. All of them have to be cleaned up. Okay, so I'm going to stop right there. And we have just a few more to go. And thanks for staying with us. I'm going to change the battery on the camera. Hopefully I have more. And then we'll finish up these 78s. Probably 10 minutes left of records. Thank you.